Want to know how to add notes while adding a transaction in Money Manager? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Money Manager application. We have also created similar videos regarding Money Manager, which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So recording or adding notes is super simple. On the bottom right side, you should be seeing this plus icon right here, just simply like that. And here you can just simply add your income expense with a specific amount and add any category that you want. So now choose your account, and on the note you can simply type in anything. So I'll just simply type in, and you can also add a description and then select save, and that's it. Super simple and easy. So as you can see right here, your note should be appeared right above your category or your account, and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.